Hello Fanatics! With our review of To All the Boys I've Loved Before coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch. If you liked it, enjoy. Love, Simon is a romantic comedy directed by Greg Berlanti, starring Nick Robinson, Jennifer Garner, and Josh Duhamel. It follows the story of a high school student who finds his world threatened when a fellow classmate blackmails them into exposing their biggest secret. This film has similar characters, tone, atmosphere, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Easy A is a romantic comedy directed by Will Gluck, starring Emma Stone, Amanda Bynes, and Dan Bird. It follows the story of a studious teenage girl who uses the school's rumor mill to become popular. This film has similar characters, tone, atmosphere, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Pretty in Pink is a romantic comedy directed by Howard Deutsch, starring Molly Ringwald, John Cryer, and Harry Dean Stanton. It follows the story of a poor girl who must choose between dating her childhood sweetheart or a rich but sensible playboy. This film has similar characters, tone, atmosphere, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Say Anything is a romantic comedy directed by Cameron Crowe, starring John Cusack, Ione Skye, and John Mahoney. It follows the story of a noble underachiever and a beautiful valedictorian who fall in love during the summer before she goes off to college. This film has similar characters, tone, atmosphere, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Every Day is a romantic drama directed by Michael Souksi, starring Anjali Rice, Justice Smith, and Debbie Ryan. It follows the story of a shy teenager who falls for someone that transforms into another person every day. This film has similar story elements, characters, tone, atmosphere, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did To All the Boys I've Loved Before. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.